Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 4. This is lesson number 9, teeth and digestion, part 2. In the previous video we have studied about the teeth, the permanent teeth and milk teeth we have studied. So in the permanent teeth we have seen the arrangement of teeth in our upper jaw and lower jaw. So incisors, canines, premolars and molars, total 32 teeth arrangement we have seen. So in today's video we will continue this lesson with the topic structure of a tooth. Okay, when we talk about a tooth, its structure will be in this way. Teeth are fixed in the gums of our jaws. So teeth are fixed in the gums of our jaws. Some part of a tooth is hidden inside the gum. It is called the root. The part which is hidden inside the gum, it is called root. The visible part of the tooth is called crown. So this visible part is crown and the hidden part is root. We have 4 different types of teeth. However, they all have a similar structure inside. So which 4 types we have seen? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So these 4 types of teeth are there, but however they all have similar structure inside, means the hidden part root and the visible part crown, upper part. Okay, if a tooth is cut lengthwise in half, we will see the following parts. So inside the tooth, if we cut it by the length, so we can see this part. Here we can see the hardest part of the tooth. It is the outermost white part of the tooth. It is called enamel. The white part of the teeth which is visible in our mouth, that is called enamel, and it is the hardest part of our body. See, enamel is the hardest part of our body. Then next part, here you can see dentine. It lies below the enamel. So next after the enamel, this dentine part is there. It is below the enamel. It is also hard. Then inside the tooth, this part is called pulp. It lies inside the dentine. It is soft. It has blood vessels and nerves. The pulp forms the central part of the tooth. So this is the inner part is pulp. Above that, dentine is there, and the outer white part is called enamel, which is the hardest part of the tooth, and the visible part of the tooth is called crown, and the hidden part, which is hidden in the gums, it is called root. So this is the structure of tooth. Now we will see taking care of teeth. As teeth are very important part of our body, of our mouth. Here chewing of the food takes place before digestion. So we have to take care of our teeth. So we will see what are cavities. Teeth help us to chop, cut, tear and chew food. When we eat, food particles get stuck in the gaps between the teeth. Germs or bacteria grow in these gaps. They feed on the food particles and produce a substance called acid. The acid damages the enamel and causes a cavity, a hole in the tooth. What is cavity? A hole in the tooth. You might have seen in children's teeth some black color holes. That is called cavity. When the cavity reaches the pulp, the tooth starts hurting when we eat and drink. So our teeth will become so sensitive and painful when we eat something, if someone is having cavity in the tooth. Okay. So to prevent from these cavities, how we have to look after, we have to take care of our teeth. Looking after the teeth. Let's see how to take care of our teeth. Your teeth can last you for a very long time if you look after them well. Our teeth can be healthy for a long period of time with us if we look after them well, if we take care of them well. So how to take care? Brush your teeth correctly and regularly twice a day. Brush your teeth. The important thing is correctly and regularly twice a day. Brush gently with soft hands. Use short and back forth strokes. Clean the outer and inner surface of the teeth. Clean the chewing surface of the teeth. Okay, teeth that are not cleaned properly get covered with a yellow sticky film called plaque. Plaque forms due to growth of bacteria on the leftover food particles. Plaque causes foul smell, means bad smell in your mouth. It can also lead to cavity. So we should clean our teeth properly, and we should not allow any food particles to stuck in between the teeth or forming a yellow layer, yellow sticky layer. We should prevent it from the teeth. Okay, some useful tips to take care of the teeth. The following habits will keep your teeth healthy and cavity free. Brush your teeth twice a day. Here we have seen correctly and regularly. In the morning before eating anything, and at night before going to the bed. The correct time for brushing is before breakfast and before going to bed. Brush your teeth gently, means you should not brush the teeth harshly, roughly. You should brush it gently. Massage your gums with salt at least once in a week. Rinse your mouth every time you eat. It removes food particles stuck in the gaps between the teeth. Avoid having too many chocolates. Yes, very important thing. Avoid having too many chocolates, sweets, and aerated drinks. Eat raw carrots, apples, and radishes. They help to clean the teeth and make them strong. Visit your dentist every 6 months for a checkup. The above dental care habits will keep your teeth healthy and cavity free. So healthy teeth are important as they play an important role in the digestion of food. See, when we talk about our food digestion, so it starts actually from our mouth. So in the mouth, chewing takes place. The crushing of food, chewing and grinding of the food, it takes place in the mouth. So teeth should be healthy for that. So we must take care of our teeth properly. If we look after it properly, then it can last with us for a long period of time. It can be healthy. If teeth are healthy, then our eating chewing process will also be healthy. Okay, I hope you understood. In the next video, we'll continue this lesson with the main topic, digestion. Okay, so today we have seen this structure of tooth. In that, let's revise it. The visible part, white part, is called crown, and the hidden part, which is hidden in the gums, it is called root. Okay, and in the tooth, the white shiny part, upper part, is called enamel. Next to the enamel there is dentine, and the inner part is called pulp, where blood vessels are present. Okay, and enamel is the hardest part of our body. Okay children, that's it for today's video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.